Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put your wipers into service mode for when it snows so they don't get iced down, or if you just want to change your blades. Normally they would be sitting under the cowl. I'll show you how it looks normally, which I'm sure you probably already know. If you don't, if you've never tried to do it, I'll show you how it looks like and why you can't service them or prevent them from freezing up. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is how the blades normally sit. Most cars, you can just pull them up. On these other models, they hit the hood. So if you don't put them into that service mode, it makes it hard to change the blade, and if it snows, it gets icy, you know, they're gonna get stuck. See? The blade hits right, move my arm, right there in the hood, which is completely normal. It's designed to be this way, so I'll just show you how to put it into that service mode. It's very easy. So as you can see, the wipers are in the down position. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to your wiper stalk. You're going to hold it down for 5 seconds. Now, they'll stay in that position. So you're just going to hold that stalk for 5 seconds. You can get out of the car. Car turns off. And the wiper blades will remain in the fixed position. So that's it, guys. Just a short quick video showing you how to put them in service mode. Very simple, very easy, and it's a must for when you get those wintry icy storms, when the blades get stuck down and got to deal with defrosting them. I was lazy the last time mine got stuck down, so I'm not going to make that mistake again. So if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.